Guys, this one feels super smooth and refined the moment you slip into it. The fabric is soft, airy, and incredibly gentle on the skin. It has a subtle sheer finish that looks elegant and balanced. Honestly, it's designed to deliver comfort with modern style perfectly. The waistband sits gently without any tight pressure. It gives a secure fit while still feeling relaxed. Friends, this is perfect for easy all-day wear. No irritation, no adjusting, just pure comfort. The stitching is neat and blends perfectly into the design. Even under fitted outfits, it stays completely seamless. What really stands out is the breathable texture of the fabric. It keeps you cool and fresh throughout the day. The design is minimal but very thoughtfully done. Nothing flashy, just a clean and stylish vibe. It gives a calm and confident appearance. The cut allows natural and free movement. You won't feel restricted at any point. The material quality feels soft yet durable. It maintains its shape well even after washing. That's a big plus for everyday use. The overall fit is snug but not tight. It adjusts smoothly to your body shape. A perfect blend of comfort and elegance. Definitely something you'll keep reaching for. A classy, everyday essential that simply works, guys. It blends perfectly into both comfort and style needs. Once you start wearing it, it quickly becomes a regular favorite.